Good morning, guys. Today we're going to do Lab 2, which is a lab about food webs and food chains. The question we're going to answer is, how is energy transferred through a community of organisms? So this is the lab document you're going to be writing on. It's kind of pre-answered. Let me just get rid of these because it might change. So you have two ecosystems that you're going to do food chains for, food webs for. You have the desert ecosystem, which is on the right, and you have the forest ecosystem, which is on the left. So we're going to start with the forest ecosystem. We're going to do 3 examples from the forest ecosystem and 3 examples from the desert ecosystem. So all you got to do first is click on that hand, and the cards will be dealt, and each card has a different organism on it. You don't know what they're called, so what you do is you drag them over.
American bullfrog.
See, it tells you what it's called, the American bullfrog. So the goal is to put these cards correctly in these spaces. So the first 2 easiest to do, I would always do, is producer and decomposer. Just remember that producers are always plants, and I think this looks like a plant.
Duckweed.
This is called duckweed, so I'm just going to drag this over. And before I forget what it's called, I'm going to record it right here. So duckweed for producer. The next one I'm going to do is decomposer, and these 3 look like animals. Animals these big are not decomposers. It's usually like little fungus, little bugs. So I'm going to click on this. What's that?
Bacillus subtilis.
So it turns out this is a bacteria. It's called Bacillus subtilis. Bacillus subtilis. You guys just write Bacillus S because that's too much, right? Bacillus. What is going on? That's fine for me. Bacillus S. I don't know why it's not red. Make it red right now. All right. Next, we're going to drag that over to decomposer. We have first, second, and third order consumer. So first order consumer eats producers. Second order consumer will eat the first order, and third order eats second order. So if you remember the energy pyramids from yesterday, first order is the same thing as saying primary consumer. Second order is like saying secondary consumer. And third order is like saying tertiary consumer, just like our energy pyramids yesterday. So which of these 3 do I think is going to be eating plants? I don't even know what this is, but my guess is on the frog.
American bullfrog.
American bullfrog. So I'm going to drag it on that way and just hurry up and write that under first order consumer, American bullfrog. Or just put bullfrog. We don't care that it's American. Bullfrog is a bullfrog. And what do I think eats the bullfrog? What is this? This looks like a
raccoon.
A raccoon? Yeah, right? I think this might be bigger than a raccoon, so I'm going to go for it. I'm going to go for my raccoon as second order. And I'll just put this
gray fox.
Gray fox as my third order. I think the gray fox is bigger than the raccoon. You could also just put fox if you want. What's wrong here? It's supposed to be one word. Okay. So you're going to check it.
Congratulations.
It says congratulations
you have
if you're
correctly
right.
sequenced the links of the food chain.
Very good. So that is how you do that. So you don't have to draw the food web. You've already completed your first food chain. Sorry, you don't have to draw your food chain. It's right here. It's on the table. So you're going to do the desert. You're going to do the forest. Sorry, 2 more times. And then you'll do the desert. So if you want to do desert, you just click there. You get a different set of organisms. You don't only just got to know the name. You could figure out how much energy it uses. You can learn about animals, other living things that it's related to. So you're going to use these tabs later on when you want to answer the analysis questions. But other than that, we're just going to do the same thing, guess and check, just like how we did for the forest. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. If you're using a device that is unable to open the lab, please reach out to me as I can give you an alternative. But otherwise, enjoy. Please do try and poke around with everything before you decide you don't know how to do the lab. But do reach out to me and have a lovely day today, guys.